Hello students, today we'll be discussing about the topic heart. Okay, heart is basically a muscular organ, okay, whose only work is to pump the blood in and out. Okay, so heart is a fish-sized muscular organ. As I said, fish size. This is the size of a fish. Okay, only this much size is of the heart. Next, found in the chest cavity towards the left lung. It is present in the lung towards the left side. Beat 60 to 80 times per minute lifelong. Till our last breath, the heart is to beat 60 to 80 times. Made of 4 chambers. So in our heart there are 4 chambers. I have drawn a rough sketch. Okay, I have drawn a rough sketch of the diagram. Now see, can you see there are 4 chambers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chambers are there in the heart. This one is the left part of the heart. This one is the right part of the heart. Okay. The upper left and the upper right. The upper left and the upper right are known as atria. Okay. If I say only particular one part, suppose upper left, then it can be known as atrium also or auricle also. Same way, if I say only about the upper right, then it can be known as atrium or auricle. But if I say about the both, the upper left and the upper right, then I have to call it atria. Okay. Then come to the down part. The lower left and the lower right together, they are known as ventricles. Okay, ventricles. Only the lower left and the lower right are known as ventricles, and the upper left and the upper right are known as atria. Okay. Now see. So in the left part of the heart, the blood which is rich in oxygen, used to flow in the left side of the heart. And next, blood which is rich in carbon dioxide used to flow in the right side of the heart. Okay. Now can you see in the left side of the heart there is a partition. This blue line is the partition which separates the upper part from the lower part. In the left part, can you see this particular thing? Okay, this is known as valve. Same way here also valve is there. So what is the work of the valve? The work of the valve is to make the blood flow only in one direction. Okay, valve makes the blood to flow only in one direction. Okay. Next we'll discuss about this particular line. This particular line is known as septum. What is the work of the septum? The work of the septum is to separate the left side of the heart from the right side of the heart. Okay. So students, now we'll be discussing about the blood vessels that used to enter our heart and used to leave our heart. Okay, and we'll also discuss about their functions. So let us see the blood vessels that used to enter our heart. Those are vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and aorta. Okay. So like, what is the function of the vena cava? It used to collect the blood rich in carbon dioxide from all parts of the body through small veins, and it also used to empty the blood from the right atrium. So what is the function of the vena cava? The vena cava used to collect all the blood from the body which is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay. And after collecting all the blood, what it does, it used to empty the right atrium of the heart. Okay. Next is pulmonary artery. It used to collect blood rich in carbon dioxide from the right ventricle. So what does the pulmonary artery does? It used to collect the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide from the right ventricle of the heart. Okay. Next, pulmonary vein. It used to collect oxygenated blood from lungs to the left atrium. So what is the function of the pulmonary vein? It used to collect the blood which is rich in oxygen from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Okay. Next is aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. Okay. And it collects the blood rich in oxygen from the left ventricle. So what is the function of the aorta? The function of aorta is to collect the blood which is rich in oxygen from the left ventricle of the heart. Okay. And circulates oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. So after collecting the blood rich in oxygen from the left ventricle, what it does? It used to supply the blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Hello students, now we'll discuss about heartbeat and pulse. So our heartbeat works on the principle of contracting and relaxing its muscles. So why does it contract and relax? It used to contract and relax to control the flow of blood inside our body. Okay. So heartbeat is one complete cycle of contraction and relaxation. Okay. And in a normal person, the heart used to beat 70 to 80 times per minute. Okay. Next, the measurement of a heartbeat. How we can generally measure our heartbeat? In hospitals, what the doctors used to do? In the hospitals, doctors used to measure the heartbeat by the help of the instrument known as stethoscope. As well as they can also measure the heartbeat by feeling the pulse in our wrist, because the artery vessels are there, yes or no? So we can feel the sensation of blood flow over here, okay, by measuring the pulse. And the number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. Okay, the number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. Moreover, heartbeat and pulse increases in the muscular activities. So whenever we are doing some rigorous exercises or we are doing some very hard work, okay, like which includes the muscular activities. So if you are doing a lot of muscular activities, then what happened? Our heartbeat used to increase in that particular time. Okay.